Good morning all of you. Once again I am here to make you learn in EVS. Today we will solve the exercise of chapter 1. Today we will solve the exercise of chapter 1. And name of the chapter is My Body. Name of your chapter is My Body. Okay? This exercise is on page number 8. Look at here in the book. First we will solve this exercise. Okay. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer means there is one question and you will get the three options. Between these three options, only one is right. Only one option is right. Okay. So I am going to write number 1. I am going to write number 1. Our body is made up of many parts called what? Our body is made up of many parts called. Option A, bones. Option B, muscles, and option C, organs. Okay. Now once again I will read the question for you. Our body is made up of many parts called what? A, bones. B, muscles. C, organs. So the answer bone, option A is no, not right. B, muscles, no. C, organs, yes. Option C is the correct answer. So put the right in front of this option. Okay. Now I am going to write number 2. It controls all the organs of our body. Option A, stomach. Option A, stomach. Option B, brain. And option C, chest. Okay, once again I will read the question for you. It controls all the organs of our body. So there are three options. One is right. Okay. Option A, stomach. Can stomach control our entire organs of the body? No. Option B, brain. Brain can control all the organs of the body? Yes. And option C, chest. No. Chest cannot control the organs of the body. So your right answer is option B, brain. Brain controls all the organs of the body. So put the tick mark in front front of option D. Okay, now I am going to write number 3. It is located inside our chest. It is located inside our chest. Option A, heart. Option B, brain. And option G, stomach. Okay. Once again, I will read the question for you so you can understand. It is located inside our chest. Number A, heart. Number B, brain. Number C, stomach. There are 3 options. Okay, 2 is wrong, 1 is right. So, what is located inside our chest? So, your correct answer is heart. Your correct answer is heart. So, put the tick mark in front of option A. Okay, now I am going to write number 4. First you complete all this, then I will rub the board, then I will again write the option 4 and 5. Okay, I am giving you 2 or 3 minutes to complete this work. Then I will write number 4 and 5. Now I am going to rub and I will write number 4 and 5 for you. Sir, I did not take a screenshot of this. Yes, number 4. Okay. This organ had in digestion of food. This organ helps in digestion of food. Option A, brain. See my dear students, again and again all the spellings of the internal organs are coming in the exercise. So, please learn all the spellings of internal organs. Okay. Then when you will solve the exercise, then you will not face any difficulty. Okay. Number B, stomach. And number C, heart. Okay. This organ helps in digestion of food. See, look at this word digestion. Digestion is very much related with brain. No, related with heart? No. Digestion word is related with stomach. Okay. So option B is right. Stomach is the right answer. Okay. Now I am going to write number 5. I am going to write number 5. We should drink dash glasses of water every day. Okay, option A 5, option B 3, and option C 8. Okay, so which answer is right? 5 no, 3 no. We should drink at least 8 glass in a day. So option C is the right answer. Okay, we should drink 8 glasses of or more than 8 glasses in a day. Okay, so this the correct answer has completed now, and we will do the second one, and second one is the match the sense organs with their function. Match the sense organs with their functions. See, in the book, your right side all the pictures of the sense organs, and left side the functions of the sense organs. Right side the picture of the sense organs, and left side the functions. Okay, first you will see the picture, then read the function, then match. Number 1, eyes. Taste, no. Feeling, no. Smelling, no. Hearing, no. Last option is the right, seeing. Okay, then ears. Ears. Tasting, no. Feeling, no. Smelling, no. Yes, we will use our ears for hearing. Then number 3, nose. Again, tasting, no. Feeling, no. Smelling, yes, we smell with our nose. Then tongue. Number 1, tasting. Yes, tongue help us to taste the things. Then skin. See, tasting has done, smelling done, hearing done. What does remain? Feeling. So we will feel with the skin. We will feel with the skin. So today we have done these 2 exercises of chapter number 1. Okay, now we will solve the fill in the blanks and the question answer in our next lecture. Okay, so keep study, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.